YouTube. Well, hi, today we're opening 2 Kinder Surprise. Let's see what's inside. This is chocolate.
You can try some.
I'm going to crack it open. Boom. That chocolate's all over. The chocolate's all over the place. I can't open it. Don't open this. Wow! What is this? Ooh, it comes in a piece of paper. It's called a hay flyer. Hay flyer. Let's see what this is. Let me try a bit of chocolate. Yum. Second one.
Not yet. Got to move all this out of the way first and build this, don't
we? Yummy chocolate. This is yummy chocolate. Hey, stop copying me. Let's open the second one.
Open it then.
Okay. The chocolate is already opened. Let's open it. Wow, it has a lot of pieces. This is called... We have to build this now. We have to build this now too.
Oh, show them it.
Grab all these pieces in hand. How do you pick them up? Remember. Stop. Ouch! The spiky. The spiky Mason. Bye. Thanks for watching. Say bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on any of the links to watch more toy channels.